Meaning of dither.
dither,
Dither.
dither,
Dither. Dither refers to a digital signal processing technique used to reduce quantization error or noise in digital audio and images. The technique involves adding small amounts of noise to the signal, which helps to mask the errors while preserving the overall quality of the signal. This results in a smoother, more accurate representation of the original analog signal. Dithering is commonly used in audio recording and mastering, as well as in digital photography and video production, to help preserve the quality and integrity of the original source material.